taking a lot of time. Right? So I would say how to make your chart look, right? So here open the 34-second chart.
34.
Yeah. So just a minute here. Okay. So how you want to arrange is, here keep 34-second. That should be the biggest chart. I use 34-second. You can use 30-second. Doesn't matter.
Okay. So
and here you right click here. When you right click here and say duplicate in new window. All right.
I can't see it.
Am I not sharing my screen?
Let me see.
I think I'm sharing my screen.
Okay, I can see now. Yeah.
Yeah. So this is the tab. This is the chart, 30-second chart. And here at this tab, I'm right clicking it. And you see duplicate in new window.
Okay.
Okay. So I click on that.
Okay.
And it opens a new window of the same size. So I drag it here.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. And I make it a 2-minute chart.
Okay.
2 minute.
2 minutes.
Right. Yeah. 2 minute is just for reference. You'll be trading on 30-second chart or 1-minute chart.
Okay.
So here I am trying to make it smaller. Okay, here. All right. Here it's 2-minute chart. Okay, and keep one more chart and keep it as daily chart. Daily chart is just to give you an idea of what's happening on daily basis. So here you select day chart. All right.
Yeah.
And just keep it. You don't have to give daily chart too much of space. You need to give the maximum space to the chart that you are using for trading.
Okay.
All right.
Is the 30 seconds or the 1-minute chart?
Yeah. 30-second chart or 1-minute chart that you will use for trading. That's the biggest chart.
Okay.
Everything will be smaller chart.
Okay.
So, and you can keep this on here. You can turn this to this one to chart trader hidden. Make it chart trader hidden.
Okay.
So you get more space.
Okay.
Okay. And you won't see these buttons on the left because these are my special buttons.
Okay.
So you won't see. We'll see only on the top. Okay.
Right.
All right. So now, last time we had talked about making sure that you have 2 lines on your chart. Those 2 lines are 21 SMA and 233 SMA.
233, yeah.
233. See, so in all the charts, keep those 2 on. Especially 30-second chart and 2-minute chart, you should keep these 2 indicators on. And how to load those indicators? You load those by clicking on this icon here. This is indicator icon.
Okay.
And then type here SMA and you double click on it. When you double click here, it will show up. The default is 14. You will change it to 21.
21, okay.
Yeah, and visible is already checked.
Yeah.
So you will.
Okay. Okay.
And you can change the colors also.
Okay,
You can go there again, click there, and go to the 21 SMA line and click here, scroll down, and then it's currently yellow. You will change it to say green.
Green.
And apply again, and it's okay.
Okay.
Similarly, you'll include 23 SMA also. So let me add 233 SMA. So here I have buttons for that, but you can load it. Let me do that. So SMA again, SMA. And it got added here. Indicator got added. I changed the parameters to 233,
233.
and SMA. I click on it, and I change the color to say pink. I usually red or pink I use.
Okay.
So this is the 233 SMA.
Okay.
Okay. So
All right.
and now from connections, I select playback. All right,
Okay.
and
Yeah.
click on continue. As I showed you.
Yeah.
And once I do that, if the data has been downloaded for the date range, this small window will open
Oh,
up.
okay. Will come up. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. You can drag this bar anywhere to select the
Okay.
time that you want.
Okay.
If you're not able to select the time, it is jumping by hour or two, you can make this window bigger and then drag, then it will give you better resolution.
Okay.
You
All
can
right. Sure. Sure.
precisely drag to anywhere you want.
Yeah.
After dragging it, you can make it smaller, move it away
Okay.
so that you can see the chart.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right. So now I am going to show you the real thing here. Let me grab the pen. If you remember from the free webinar,
Yeah.
uh, this is what the DNA of the market I
Yes.
explained, right?
Yes.
So
Of
I will
course.
go deeper into it today.
Okay. All right.
All right.
Okay.
So if you recollect, oops, ignore. So if you recollect, I had talked about different market conditions, right?
Yes. Yeah.
Uh, so I had talked about uptrending. Uptrending could be in the very narrow range like this. Okay. This is condition number one. And it could be coming down. Uptrending could be in making swings like this. Okay. Number two, it was.
Yeah.
Sideways could be making swings. Number three, sideways could be in a very narrow range, flat almost.
Yes.
That's what's number four. And then downtrend could be uh, condition number five in a very narrow range. And downtrend could be making swings. Right? This is what I had
Yes.
covered. All right. Now I had placed this in here. This is a cleaner, neater picture of what I had drawn, and then I had shown those six market conditions on this chart, if you remember, right? So number one was this,
Yeah.
like this, and then number two was making swings coming down.
Yeah. Big.
And then five was narrow range coming down. Two was making swings going up, and then back and forth here, and very flat range here, right? So this is very important. So you can print it and save it on your computer.
All right.
All right. Sorry. You can print it and keep it next to your computer when you if you like.
Okay.
All right. Now, um, what I'm going to explain is in the class in the free class I don't talk about these. There is a reason why these are here.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this means market is flat. Market is flat. It's flat means it's a trading in a range, in a narrow range.
Arrange. Okay.
Suddenly it jumps out. Suddenly it jumps out and makes
Yeah.
a big green candle.
Yes.
All right.
Yeah.
So it's like it will be clearly visible. It has jumped out. It's boom, kind of, and then that's the indication that its market is going to uptrend now. and that's when you will start the start trading with long button on.
Okay.
Sense? So you'll click the long button on, and I will show you with example. Just today's example, I will show you. It was a perfect. DNA market followed the DNA perfectly today.
Okay.
So it jumps out, and then you start taking long trades, and it will take one trade, trade, three trades, four trades, and once you take four trades, you got to be careful, because now market is likely turn, and I had explained market will turn when market will turn, when it starts to make a range. This
Okay.
position number three here. So uh, position number three is here. This is position number three here, but this position number three will occur here as well. Position number three is like a market swinging back and forth.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah.
So once this happens, it means market is most likely going to turn and come
Yeah.
down.
Change direction. Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
change direction, and
Okay.
that's when you will start taking short trades.
Okay. Okay.
Short trades here. All right.
Okay.
You can trade during market condition number three as well.
Okay.
Okay.
What that
So
would be?
here I will. The difference is, when you are when this market jumped out from flat position and made a big green candle,
Yeah.
you go long with default strategy. So default strategy means there is no strategy button pressed, no pink button is pressed.
Okay.
Okay, so there is only long button is pressed,
Okay.
and no other strategy button has been pressed.
Okay.
But
Okay.
here when you are at market condition number three, or near market condition number three,
Yeah.
you will most likely use contrarian strategy.
Okay.
So if you see on the software, there is a
Yeah.
contrarian button,
Yeah. Yeah.
right? So
Yes.
contrarian button you want to press, and
At that point.
see, you don't force yourself to use contrarian trade. If even if you just learn default trade, right,
Yeah.
that is also enough. That is
Oh,
also
okay.
enough.
All
Okay,
right.
so what it
Yeah.
will do is it will take long trades in upswing and short trades
Short
in
trades and
downswing.
downswing. Okay.
Yeah. So
Okay.
just learn default strategy, and the second strategy, when you are ready with when you have understood default strategy, you can play with contrarian strategy as
Yeah.
well.
Okay. All
So
right.
contrarian strategy is for market condition number three, market condition number four.
Okay.
You can use contrarian.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So these are the two most important ones.
Okay.
The single most is default strategy, and the
Yeah.
second most important is contrarian strategy.
Okay. Okay.
Other three strategies are like, yeah, I will definitely explain to you. You may not be using as often.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, these two are the most important. And
Okay.
now, uh, let me erase this whole thing. Okay. Now this has jumped out, right? So these are like, big candles. These are big candles. You need to be, look out for it. It's like you are hunting for big candles. Okay. Once you see the big candle, that means market is going to take a trend, and that's the right time for you to trade. And big candle could happen in many places. Suddenly big candle happens here. It's not a tradable big candle.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
And most likely, if the big candle happens here, it will be like it will suddenly snap back, and it will become a hammer candle. This is called a hammer candle. Means
Okay.
market is going up like this, like this. It will suddenly come
Come
down
to
and go up.
yeah. It will go back up. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this candle is basically this thing is to show that, but it may not necessarily occur in the middle. It will more occur here.
Yeah.
Maybe I should shift this position to somewhere here.
Okay.
So market is going up, suddenly it will snap back and go back up. Or maybe it will take does only once or twice like this.
Okay.
Once it will come down all the way to 233 SMA. Other times
Yeah.
it may not come down
It may
all the
not.
way to
Okay.
233
All right.
SMA, and
Okay.
then it will go back up. So this it will create a form of hammer. In a way, this is also a kind of a big candle only. It is also a kind of big candle, but it has snapped back. The whole thing was the whole thing was green once, but sorry, whole thing was red once, and then it became green.
Then green. Okay.
Yeah, it came
Back
down
up.
red
Okay.
color once and
Yeah.
came
Okay.
back up, so
Okay.
it's green. So um, so now the big candle. So two places the big candle are the most effective. Um, and in fact, it's like the position number 3 or 4. Okay,
Yeah.
these two places, and here also I said it's position number 3, right?
Yes.
When
That's
the
question.
market starts to become, so
Yeah.
here big candles are at position number 3 here, or position number 4. Means basically when the market is flat, both
Okay.
conditions are flat conditions. From
Okay.
flat conditions, suddenly if the price jumps out, it means it's tradable condition. From here, price suddenly drops and makes a big candle, it's tradable condition.
Okay.
Okay, so now I'll give you this demonstrate this with an example. So
Okay.
whatever I showed you on the long side, it's true on the short side as well.
Okay.
Okay,
Sure. Sure.
so I will show you example that will clarify things for you.
All right.
um, all right, so let me erase the whole thing here. Okay, so this is today's. Actually, it's not today. It is last Friday's. I thought it's today's. So this is last Friday's market. All right. So 8:30 market opens. I set it at market open,
Okay.
and let's study this. Study the market here. Okay.
Right.
Uh, so I'm on 30-second chart. I keep it at 34 because 34 is a Fibonacci number. You can keep it 30, 34, doesn't matter.
Okay. All right.
Um, Now, what happened here? Market was flat here.
Yeah.
Uh, Market was flat all all this while. It was flat market
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
yesterday at the time of close.
Yeah.
And now see, not just the price was flat, but the moving averages, the two moving
Yeah.
averages
Two,
are also flat.
233. Yeah.
Yeah. And at the open market opened here. Market opened here.
Okay.
Okay. So it's clearly overnight it made a big green candle
Yeah.
here. So if I to imagine, um, say this is all a big green candle here overnight, and only after price went up that it opened here. All right.
Yeah.
So in a way, it's an uptrending market now. It has opened up at a good level. But sometimes what happens if it opens up too high, then this yesterday's data is irrelevant.
Okay.
Okay, it
Yeah.
means
Sure.
here it has opened, say here, then the whole yesterday's data is irrelevant. We have
Yeah.
to take a fresh look at the market.
Yeah. True.
Fresh look at the market. But today it's not too high. Um, so here it's fairly close to yesterday's close here. Yesterday's close was here. It's only this much, like 28 points here distance. So now,
Okay.
so my bias is on the long side. And another reason is, it opened above 21, not too far. So
Yes.
there is some distance here. So what I'll do is, I will when the price is so far from 21, I'm a bit cautious, even though I have a bullish bias. And that precaution is built in the software also, that if it is too far from 21
21.
green line, it won't take trades.
Oh, okay. If it is too far from 21,
Too
it will
far,
take
too.
place. Oh,
Yes.
okay.
So some safeguards are built in the software also. So let me watch the market for some minute or two. I should
Okay.
not We should not take trades immediately as soon as the market opens. We should wait for 2 minutes. In fact, I
Okay.
would say, since you are new, I would say you should wait for till you should trade after 9 o'clock only.
9. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right.
So see here, I did not turn the software on, but it already showed two dots here.
Uh,
Means there were potentially long trades.
okay. But I
Potentially
did,
long.
but I didn't take them.
I didn't think because I
Okay.
was like adjusting things. I did
Okay.
not turn this on. So
Okay.
now I feel good that market is continuing to be on
No, yeah.
uptrending
Turning up.
upside. So
Yeah.
I will take the trade. I
Okay.
turn I turned the software on.
On. Okay.
Okay. And then I'll wait for the trade to happen. Um, See here, it skipped the trade. It skipped the trade. If you see R39, it's
Yeah.
showing R39 and 190.
Yes, I
So
can see that.
risk was 39 ticks. Risk was 39
Okay.
ticks. 39 ticks is like $200.
Okay.
$200 of risk and 190 away from a particular moving average. Most likely it's a 21. From
Okay.
21 moving average, it was 190 away. So that's why it did not take the trade. It skipped it.
Okay.
Okay. It would have taken the trade if you had pressed the aggressive button here. So in case
Okay.
of aggressive order, it will ignore all those warnings.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
And another warning is, which is going to be in the next version of the software. You do not have that software yet.
Okay.
So it will be released in a couple of weeks. I will give you the new software. So
Okay.
here you see the warning: caution, market stretched.
Yeah.
Stop
Okay.
taking default and trend trades or reduce quantity.
Okay.
So market is stretched from where?
Yeah.
That's the
Yeah.
question, right?
Yeah.
Market
True.
stretched from the flatness.
Yes.
Market
True.
stretched from the moving averages.
Yeah. True.
So if you see, um, market has stretched from here. There is a
Uh,
gap between
the gap
these two,
between 20,
and there is a
20.
gap between these two.
Yeah.
It's a double stretch.
Yeah.
Double stretch is, we got to be very, very careful
Careful.
in that
Okay.
case. Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay.
software has already built in precautions,
Okay.
but in such cases, it's good to just turn this off.
So
Um,
it's okay.
yeah,
You turn
turn
it
this
off.
off and
Okay.
wait.
Okay.
Okay. Uh, so, but again, market has made a big jump here. So
Yeah.
market is bullish. All right, so let me keep this on for now, and I will show you what trade it takes.
Yeah.
Okay, it has come down now. Market has come
Yes.
down. So now let's see. Okay, it has taken a trade now. Here, it
Okay.
was it was perhaps the moving average also bent quite a bit upwards, so that it did not perceive that much of risk, and it took the trade. Okay, so let's see if this is profitable. Target filled. So 8 ticks of profit, which is $35. Oh, I'm sorry, it might have taken the trade because I have pressed the aggressive button also. So
Okay.
most likely this wouldn't have affected, because if it was aggressive trade, it would have printed R number. It did not print the
Oh,
R
okay.
number, means it would have taken the trade anyway without even being aggressive,
Being
without us
aggressive.
being aggressive.
Okay.
So it was a safe trade basically. So I
Okay.
turned off the aggressive mode, and I'm waiting for my next trade. So when the next trade is going to happen, uh, number target filled. Okay, one more happened very fast.
Yeah.
One
Just
more
move on.
$35.
Yeah.
All right. So I'll keep this on. And here again, warning is that market is stretched. Uh, I'm kind of ignoring it, but ignoring it because I'm feeling safe that it's not too
It's
far from
closer
21.
to 21.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. And let's see what's happening. Uh, okay, target is filled. So 3 successful trades. But here you see 21 SMA has started to bend. It went till here and started to bend. Do you see that?
I can see.
Yeah. So it might be peaking. It might be peaking. So I have to be now careful. If I have gotten good amount of profit, I
Yeah.
will try to either stop trading at this time,
Yeah.
or I'll reduce my quantity.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So for now, I have taken only 3 trades. I might go with one more. $100 is
Okay.
not too much of profit. I will try to take one more and see where the market is going. So, okay, it's still a bullish market, still going up nicely. So maybe I'll get one more trade. Okay, it's coming down. 21 is nicely angled.
Order filled.
Okay. It's coming down now. Coming
Target
back up.
filled.
Yeah, target filled. So what's the difference between previous trades and this current trade? Previous trades, market was nicely trending up.
Oh, yeah.
It was very
Just-
nicely. But here it started to bend. 21 SMA started to bend. Not
Yeah.
only that, the price came below 21.
Yeah.
Below 21. And then it went above 21. Okay, so long trade happens only when the price is above 21.
Both 21. Okay.
Yeah. So
Okay.
for a moment here, uh, for a moment the price went above 21 and a trade took place here, and that was
Okay.
profitable, of course. So now market is turning. Market was here with condition number 1. Now condition number 1 went up. Now it's probably getting into my condition number 3. Market condition number
Okay.
3. So
Yeah.
how I'm comparing it with the comparing it to the drawing I drew here.
Yeah.
Right?
Yes, I understand.
Yeah.
Yes, I get
Market
it.
condition number 1
One,
to
yeah.
market condition number 3 probably.
Yes.
This is
That's
3.
3. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
it is in a transition phase. Yeah.
Okay.
So let's see. We don't know. It only made only one swing so far. We will know if it makes one more swing.
Last swing. Okay.
Yeah. So let's see. So I'm increasing the speed. So price came down again. So here it's
Yeah.
definitely in. It came down below 21 SMA significantly.
21, yeah.
Okay. So now it's time for me to take short trades.
Short trade. Okay.
Yeah, because here in DNA, I've said it's market condition number 6.
6. Yeah.
Suddenly, this big candle has been formed. This is big candle, big red candle, right? So you see here, quite a significant, decent size big candle it is.
Yeah. True.
This is a decent size big candle. So I turn it to short trades. All right,
Okay.
and if I want to be careful, extra careful, instead of keeping it short, I will make it contrarian.
Okay.
Contrarian is a little conservative as well. So let's see, because in case it's a false false signal,
Break. Yeah.
false
Break.
signal, contrarian will help me.
Okay.
Okay, but
So instead of switching on the short button, you you selected the contrarian instead, right?
Maybe I shouldn't have even talked about contrarian now. I don't want to confuse you. Forget about contrarian for now. Okay. You can, when you do a playback yourself for 510, you can use both and see how it behaves.
See how it
But
works.
let me not focus on contrarian.
All right.
Okay, I will just focus on regular default. So see, market is coming down heavily.
Yeah.
It is coming down big time. So so big time is big candles. So let's see if it takes short trade and it's pulling back.
Order.
Okay,
Target
here
filled.
one more short trade.
Order filled. Target filled.
Two more trades.
Order filled. Target filled.
Third trade.
Another one.
Yeah. So I will try to take it till market goes close to 233 SMA.
Okay. Okay.
Close to means close to, not exactly same point, but when it gets close to, I start to become careful. Okay, there is one more
filled.
likely.
Target
Okay,
filled.
now I will try to be careful. I'll stop. Stop, because market went from condition number 1 to 3
to
to
3,
6.
6. Yeah.
And now it's back here at its market is at this stage now. Market is at number 4 now.
Number 4.
Yeah, it
Yeah. Okay.
went up,
Yeah.
swung back and forth once, and came down, and now it's very close to 233 SMA.
Okay.
Right. So now market is at number 4.
Okay.
Okay, at position number 4, it has come down to. So and I had mentioned what is the strategy for number 4? Contrarian.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
For number 3 is contrarian, and number 4 it's contrarian.
Okay.
But when we turned contrarian on for number 3, it was too late. Market came down big time, and then we traded default short.
Yeah, shorts.
Yeah, default short trades.
Okay.
So contrarian trade let's play contrarian now, because we are at market condition number 4.
Yeah.
So going back to my chart, I will turn contrarian on because it's close to 233 SMA, and I'm still taking short trades only. The reason I'm taking short trades is because price is below 221 SMA. 21 SMA is kind of guide for me. Price is above 21 SMA, I will take long trades. Below 21 SMA, I will take short trades, but only when this big candle has been formed. Big. So now contrarian, I did not get any contrarian trade. Market is downtrending very well. So contrarian means against the trend. So
target filled.
Okay, one more contrarian trade happened.
Okay.
So what it means, it is market is downtrending. It is market is downtrending, but there was a upswing, short upswing. That's when the contrarian trade happens.
Okay. Oh, I see.
Yeah. So it's a big downtrend here. Big downtrend. Then it's a big, good, decent amount of pullback to 21 SMA. At 21 SMA, close to 21 SMA, this contrarian trade happens.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so contrarian trade we got, and that was profitable as well. So let me clean this up. So we are again in the narrow stage.
Yeah.
Narrow state.
Okay, I see.
So just to recap, I'm using pen and mouse. It kind of messing up. Yeah. Just to recap, we started at the narrow state.
Yeah.
Market went up, and then it swung back and forth. Once only it did. Sometimes it does the swinging couple of times, and then it came down big time, drastic. So this is a very good signal that market is ready for downtrend. Market came down, and then it came to this condition number 4. It's going to do back and forth here before starting its journey. And in this time, we got 9 winning trades and $322. Okay. And this cycle repeats every time, every day. Some days better than the others.
Yeah,
And,
sure.
and so, but I want to continue, and I will show you when to not trade.
Okay.
Target
Okay.
filled.
So contrarian, we are still under the influence of downtrending market.
Yeah.
So it's still, oh my God, it's still going down.
Yeah.
So in fact, I should turn off the contrarian trades here. It's time for me to,
switch it up.
yeah. So I will see if I can get regular short trade.
Okay.
Yeah.
Order filled.
Okay. So I got a regular short trade.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. So ideally, I shouldn't have
Target filled.
done this because, it's like a horse. Horse started to run from here, from this point. The horse started to run from here, like it started its journey here,
Yes.
coming down, and it has come down like more than 4 trots. One,
Yeah.
like
1, 2.
yeah. So and so it's tired. The animal is tired now. It wants to rest. So we cannot be we cannot expect it to continue to give us profits.
Yeah.
Yeah. So here we should be careful. I should not trade ideally. Yeah. But let's see. I want to just I want to give you, as part of the training, I want to continue and show you what's happening here. Market has pulled back above 21 SMA for the first time in this entire downtrend.
Okay.
You see,
That's true.
not
Yeah.
a single time it even reached 21 SMA, but now it has crossed 21 SMA.
Yeah.
So my default strategy is over. My game that is not valid anymore. If at all I can take contrarian trade here.
Okay.
So let's
Order
see.
filled.
So now I took contrarian trade because 233 acts as a resistance. Price will have difficulty crossing it.
Crossing the line.
Yeah, so I have taken one, but it's a risky one regardless. So
Target filled.
okay, came down. So I took the trade here at this point. It gave me a loss of like whatever, $100 or whatever, and then came back to give me profit of 35. So that's why it's a risky trade.
Yeah.
All right. So market is swinging back and forth. Now let me show you, since it's a contrarian zone, the market condition number 4, even the long should work if in contrarian mode, long trades. Okay, it's a bidirectional condition.
Okay.
You can trade on both the sides.
All right.
Okay, so I have turned the long button on, and I'm showing you a trade if it happens.
Order filled.
It's again a
Target
short
filled.
trade.
Yeah.
It was again a short trade.
Order filled.
This one is a long trade. Okay, this one was a long trade. So let's see if it's profitable or not profitable. So nope. It went against us. Big time. I'm going to incur loss here now. So what I was doing, I was just uh, taking risks and trading here. And if you remember, I have always emphasized to avoid market condition number 4. Right? Market condition number 4 should be avoided.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, and this is market condition number 4 here.
Yeah.
Okay, this is market condition number 4.
Okay.
And we are in market condition number 4. But I did not avoid. I took 2 risky trades. Right here, I took, it was profitable. Here I took, it went against me, it was profitable. Here it took, that was also profitable. Finally, I got a snag. I hit a snag, and this is eating away all my today's profit.
Okay.
All right.
Wow.
So it's like this. I didn't realize it was not 17th. It's 10th actually. It is a picture perfect day as far as the DNA is concerned. So if we follow DNA, will be okay. If we don't follow this DNA,
To work against yeah.
yeah. So let me take this loss, complete loss, and then so
Stop filled.
it stopped filled, and it was $800 of loss here, $840. So I made 500 something. I lost 500, and this extra 500 loss I'm showing now. So
Wow.
so this is what. So what over trading does. All right. So so the best trades are when the price was above 21 SMA, about
Okay.
21 SMA. Best trades were when price was below 21 SMA.
Okay.
Once it crossed, it was, and that too in this narrow zone, it was a dangerous play. Dangerous play. So this is something we have to keep in mind. This is basically fundamental. This is a theory. This is you won't find this DNA anywhere. So how to visualize this market. Once you understand this, how it works, even if you had taken just 2 trades here, 2 trades here, 2 trades here, you would have gone home with $140. Right? So but we have incurred a loss because we over traded. All right. So now let me restart this, and I will show you a few more things.
Okay.
Okay. How to restart? Okay, restarting is you can right click here, reload Ninja script.
Oh, okay.
That's one way of restarting, or you can click on this icon, strategy icon. You can remove the existing strategy.
Okay.
And say apply. So it has removed the strategy from the screen, and then you reload the strategy.
Okay.
This reload the strategy and enable it and apply.
Okay.
Yeah. So let me turn this colors off. Okay, colors are off. 2 lines. So now market has turned downwards once again.
Yeah.
It is going down once again.
Downwards, yeah.
So so that is market condition number 5, I believe, right? 5, yeah. Market condition number 5. it is coming down now here.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is market condition number
5. Okay.
5. So downwards. So what I'll do is I will click on ATM. Shoot. ATM short on, and I'll turn this on and see what happens.
Order filled. Target filled.
So one good trade.
Order filled. Target filled.
2 good trades. Fair. So 2 good trades. Price hasn't closed above 21 SMA. So I will try to take one more trade.
Short.
No, it is going above. It's going above. So this is kind of warning for me.
Okay. Well, it's good. So is this still going to be a short trade?
Huh?
Is this still going to be a short trade? You think?
No, I'm going to turn it off.
Okay.
I'm going to turn it off now.
Okay.
Yeah. So I know, actually I know what trade I should take out of. I should use different strategy, but
Yeah.
to you I'm not telling you because I don't want to overload you with a lot of information.
Okay. All
I
right.
just want to teach you a default strategy.
Okay.
Okay. So that's
Yeah.
why I'm saying you turn it off.
Okay.
Okay. I know I can take a trade and profit from it.
Okay.
But I'm not going to show you that.
All right then.
Yeah. Okay. So now market is trying to go up
Yeah.
at this time. So it's, it's I would say it's not a great market now to trade, at least for the beginners. I know I can take a couple of trades. I'll be profitable, but
Yeah.
it's not a great market for you. Why? Market was nicely below 21 SMA, then it went above, then came down, then again above. So it's kind of a sideways market for a while now. So here you see it's like sideways, then again it has lost that trend. It doesn't have the smooth trend that it had here, right? And it doesn't have the same trend that it had in the beginning when we were taking long trades.
Yeah.
So this is ideally, it is not the ideal condition to trade. So, and what's the time now? See, it's 10 o'clock exactly. So 10 o'clock I stopped trading,
Okay.
because 8:30 to 10 is the best time. I would say if you are a beginner, since you are a beginner, 9 to 10 is the best time for you. After 10 o'clock, better to shut it down, because we have to trade different strategies. This default strategy will be difficult to find. So let me write it down here. For default strategy, the best time is 9 to 10 a.m. Central, and I would say 2 to 3 p.m. Central. Okay. So these are the ideal time slots, but it's not perfect, but 5 days in a week, out of 5 days in a week, you get 3 days, 3 days it works well. 3 to 4 days you get good results during this window. One day could be choppy. One day, yeah. So another way of looking at finding whether there is a good trend or not is turning off another indicator, which is SMMA 21. So here you see there is a nice, these two lines are quite parallel. Here these two lines are parallel going. So when you see these are kind of separating and going parallel nicely, that's a good time to trade.
Okay.
But here, this is crisscrossing, again crisscrossing, again narrowing. So this is not a good time to
Okay.
trade with default strategy. All right.
What about when they are far apart? The two. Well,
What is it?
what about at those times when the two indicators are far apart?
Yeah.
Not
Yes.
It's not a good time to trade, right?
Good time to trade. So I basically, didn't want to put too many indicators on the screen. I like to keep it clean,
Simple. Yeah.
simple, right?
Yeah.
So that's why I'm just wanted to give you perspective here. That how it should be. If it is well inclined nicely, it's a good slope.
Okay.
Here you see it has a good slope. Since it has a good slope, it means you will get good trades.
Right.
Here the slope is like here, here, here. This is sideways market. This is a different
Yes.
market. It's a market condition number 3 or 4.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. So, and how we know that? We know it from the relative position of 233 and 21.
Okay.
So, just a minute, huh? Just a minute. Hi, Nadine. What happened? Oh, you messaged on me on WhatsApp. What was it about? All right, sorry about that. So yeah, so this is the fundamental thing. This is the 101 basics, and I would suggest you um, try playing with the software and the market conditions. Take a printout of this image. Where is that image? Um, and keep it next to you, so you understand the market.
Yeah.
Yeah, this particular one.
Yeah. This one. Okay.
Yeah, so this is you can take a picture of it and do a printout. And I'm not sure if it is in the academy or not, but I will put it in academy also.
Oh, okay. All right. Then.
So so today's lessons were like look for a big candle out of flatness. It's
Okay.
like birthing time. It's like birthing time. It's a big bang
Yeah.
time. Something, nothing was there. Things were flat. Suddenly, something jumped out,
Okay.
and the direction it jumps out in is the direction where you will trade. And it's a significant jump. It's not a small sudden peekaboo jump. It's a significant jump, and then it'll go. Since it has gone up, it will retrace back to 21 SMA. When it retraces back to 21 SMA, that's the time to start trading, ideally. All right. So even if you get 3 trades here, and 3 is the is all what we should look for in each direction. 3 trades here, then pause and see. You'll start getting gut feel of the market, and you might be able to take one contrarian trade here. Then you will take downward default short trades. Yeah. So 3 trades in this direction, maybe one contrarian trade here.
Okay.
So 6 to 8 trades are more than enough. Right? 4 is mm, 4 is enough, but 6 to 8 trades. And by that time, what happens? it will be an hour or an hour and a half, you will start losing your concentration. And
True.
when you start
That's
losing
true.
your concentration, better to take
To
your
get
money
out
and
and go. Yeah.
yeah. So rinse and repeat. That's it. Since I want to show you one more thing, you know. So let's talk about the late hour. Today's 17th. So 19th, Sunday night, the market opens. Sorry. Let me 13. Okay. Okay, let me start from here. No. Shoot. 11th is Saturday. Oh. It's gonna load. Again, I'll have to load. So after hours, market is totally different. It will be mostly sideways.
Okay.
So 12. Okay, let's see. So after market, most of the time means 4 out of 5 days, I trade contrarian trades only.
Okay.
So I just want to show you that, because usually it's market condition number 3 or 4
Okay.
in the evening. So depending on your work schedule, what's your what's the hour of your day job?
Most times, although my work is a bit flexible, but
Okay.
yeah, it's a bit flexible. But usually, I work around between 10 and 2.
What time? Sorry.
I start usually my full day work starts around 10 and then towards around 4. 10 to 4.
10 to 4. Okay.
Yeah.
10 to 4 in the morning, right?
10 in the morning to 4 in the evening.
Okay. So then maybe 9 o'clock may not work, because you might be getting ready to go to work and things like that, right? So again, 7 a.m. also you can trade.
7
7
a.m. The market
yes,
open at 7 a.m.
it's open 23 hours a day.
Oh wow, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's the oh shoot here. It's open 23 hours a day. Don't try to trade a dot at 7:30 and dot at 9 o'clock. I will tell you. I will cover that again in the next session.
Right. Okay. All right.
There is a reason, very important reason.
For that.
Yeah,
Okay.
and I'll tell you what all times to avoid, and how
Okay.
to know what time to avoid.
All right.
You can you know by pinpointing 7:30, 9. I think on Wednesday 1 p.m.
Okay.
Once in a month, that is.
Oh, okay.
So shoot, my system stuck.
Oh,
Let me. Okay, so let me. Okay, so 9th only I will show if it loads. Yeah, I did not reload the machine before our training, so mine
okay.
is running slow as well.
Okay.
Let me close it and restart it.
Right.
In that way, it will be logical end to one particular chapter. I just want to, yeah, finally it got closed. All right. So I will. It starts at the timer starts always starts at 11 p.m. So I will start it from there itself.
Okay.
And one more thing I want to show you is sometimes you can decide what time frame you want to set. So if you right click on it and go to data series, um, here you have trading hours, use instrument settings. Okay, instrument settings means the for futures it's 23 hours window. Okay, the market closes at 4 p.m. Central
All right.
and opens at 5 p.m. Central.
Okay.
It's closed only for that 1 hour,
1
4
hour.
p.m. to 5 p.m. And then remaining hours it remains open.
Okay.
Saturday it is closed. Friday evening 5 p.m. 4 or 5 p.m. it closes. 4 p.m. it closes, and then
Okay.
Sunday evening 5 p.m. it opens.
Oh, okay. I see.
So that's a 5.5 days.
Okay.
So you can select trading hours as default 23 hours window, or you can select CBOE US Index Futures RTH. RTH stands for regular trading hours.
Okay.
If you select this, you'll see data from 8:30 in the morning to 4 p.m. only.
Okay.
That's the regular day trading hours.
Okay. Okay.
If you use instrument settings, you'll see 23 hours data. So it's
Okay.
already, sometimes if you see that, oh, if I'm not seeing the data, nothing is happening, most likely trading hours selected is in RTH mode.
Good. Okay. Okay.
So that's something to keep in mind.
Right.
And I just select the full 23 hours default, and I load the software again. Playback, I must make sure that right account is selected. So playback is the only account, so it's selected by default. Sometimes we are in sim mode, or we are in some funding account, so that time we must select the account that we want to trade. So only that account it will trade, and then enabled. And another feature which you do not have in the current version, in the future version, you'll be seeing a higher chart time frame as well. So
Okay.
we are using higher higher touch,
Frame.
higher time frame to guide our trading decisions. So
Okay.
that's why, so which is a 2-minute chart.
2 minutes. Okay.
So you will see in future release. So now I click OK and turn this on, and try to run the software. So now so I make sure these two indicators are on. Okay, so I have this. So here, this is since 11 p.m. in the night. I usually trade contrarian trades.
Okay.
So I keep this contrarian on, and I have to decide which direction to trade. So here I will, decide the direction based on whether price is below 233 SMA or not, and and whether it's below 21 SMA or not. So here the market has stretched away from 233 SMA. In fact, sometimes both directions work. When it's in contrarian, both directions work okay, especially in the night time. But let's see. This market is very slow, so short is better because market is going up, so short is better.
Order filled.
The opposite. And usually I keep a smaller target for night time.
Okay.
So you can drag this up. You can drag this up higher. Oh, why it's not happening? I think it needs a rebooting. So I'm trying to drag this stick up here. Okay, finally I was able to. Okay, here.
Target
So
filled.
target fill. So I dragged it. I made the target smaller, only 4 ticks. So $15 only I made. So it's evening is not going to be very profitable, but it's not very dangerous time also.
Okay.
So of course, if you take trades in the opposite direction and stay there for long, it will give you a loss. But you will know fairly quickly that okay, it's not a good trade. You'll stop it for $100-$200 loss.
Okay.
Okay, so let's see. Now another trade. I'm going to take long trade now. Long contrarian.
Contrarian. Okay.
Yeah, because market is coming down, I'll go opposite. I'll take long trade. Contrarian means opposite. So I'll increase the speed.
Order submitted.
Okay, one trade has been submitted. It's not taken yet. It's only submitted.
filled.
Okay, it has been filled. So here I'll move the stick down again to take only a small profit. Increase the speed. In the night, it's very slow.
They didn't pick.
Yeah, target fill. So another $15. So $30, it's basically daily wage, right? So, but thing is, if you don't have time in the morning, you want to
Exactly.
in the night, you can do something. All right. But the same thing with 3 contracts, I can triple the profit. So let's see if it with 3 contracts that whatever I made okay, trade was taken. I'll shorten the profit target and keep playing.
Target filled.
Target fell. $47 of profit because I used 3 contracts. ATM 3 I used.
Oh, okay, I see.
Okay, so we can modify the ATMs. To modify ATMs, we have to come here and click Chart Trader, and then we come and click on this window. Here you can click Edit. After clicking Edit, you can make the profit smaller. Like you can make it 6 ticks profit.
Okay.
And then Save Template. Save. Yes. Okay. So 6 ticks will give you $30 of profit minus the trading commissions, which is about $4. So you'll make $26 per trade.
Okay.
Per contract. So that's how you set things up.
Okay.
Okay. So all right. So that's all for today, Mike. And
yeah.
I will leave it at this. I will send you the recording. Watch
Okay.
it
Yeah, I'll
and
watch it.
yeah, play with it, and we'll connect Wednesday.
Wednesday, 6 o'clock, right?
Wednesday, 6 o'clock.
Okay. All right. That's
Okay.
fine. That works. Yeah.
Okay.
Thanks so much, Rao. Yeah.
All right. Sure.
Enjoy your weekend.
You too.
Yeah.
Bye
Thanks so
bye.
much. Yeah. Bye.